Good afternoon on this Wednesday. Just want to give a quick winter winter storm and severe weather update for Thursday. Let's talk about the winter weather threat first. An ice storm warning is in effect for DeSoto, Tunica, Tate, Coahoma, and Shelby counties, and Fayette County also until midnight tomorrow night. Significant icing is expected with accumulations of 2/10 to a half inch of ice is possible. This will be the primary concern for power outages and tree damage and hazardous driving conditions. A winter weather advisory is in effect for Marshall, Benton, Coahoma, Quitman, Panola, Lafayette, Tallahatchie, Yalobusha, and Hardeman counties. This is also until midnight tomorrow. Expect mixed precipitation, mainly freezing rain and sleet, with total ice accumulations of 1/10 of an inch to 2/10 of an inch. You'll see some power outages, tree damage, and travel will be hazardous in those areas. A winter weather advisory also in effect for Bolivar, Sunflower, and Washington counties until midnight Thursday night. Freezing rain is expected with accumulations up to 2/10 of an inch. Outside of this area, we can see up to a very, very light glaze of ice with freezing rain and sleet possible. Right now, no significant issues are expected outside of the advisory and warnings area. Taking a look at models, this is the latest 18Z NAM model, NAM 3K. We're going to play that for you. See activity moving in the area by 4 a.m. night. Really not too much activity. I'll go back. This is Friday at this actually Friday at midnight. This is a little bit slower with getting all that activity in and out. This is the high resolution rapid refresh model. The HER as of 12 o'clock this afternoon. This model is showing activity coming in about 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. That play. There go back for you. This right here is the official National Weather Service forecast, total icing. Mainly, biggest concern would be from Paducah, Kentucky down around the Little Walk, outside of the Little Walk area. This has the projected amounts, half an inch in the Memphis area, uh, 3/10 down in Tunica, and 15/100ths down in Clarksdale. You can see part of the area with the light amounts of ice accumulation. This was based off the national models. This takes the indirect forecast and the forecast models. So one big model showing much area with some winter, some freezing rain potential, but most of it to our north and west. Here are the totals from the HER model. The European model, honestly think this is kind of overdoing it a little bit. The now 3K model is also shows the possibility in other parts of the area. And this is from the National Weather Service. Basically 2/10 to 3/10 of an inch. And the uh, lighter orange looking at very light amounts up to 1/10 of an inch of ice. 1/10 might be overdoing it, but it's still possible. Severe weather is also possible. The Storm Prediction Center has a a marginal 1 out of 5 risks. In our area, this includes Pickens County, and Fayette County, along with Lowndes, Knoxville, and Winston County. Almost of severe weather will be possible, including tornadoes, damaging winds, and hail. The tornado threat looks to be very limited. The best chance would be from Marina down to Biloxi, back towards Birmingham. We'll be racing the coast front to get that moisture pump in. Heavy rain will be possible. This is the WPC total precipitation. Rainfall totals of 3 to 4 inches is possible across parts of the area. Mainly around the Golden Triangle. One up to 2 inches in Tupelo. 1.5 in the current area, and about 1.4 inches in Oxford. A flash flood watch in effect for our western counties. This does include Colbert and Lauderdale. It's just not showing up on the map. And that goes out until tomorrow afternoon.